The Samsung Galaxy S Ultra line has become synonymous with pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. Over the years, it has set new standards in innovation, design, and performance, becoming a benchmark for other flagship devices. Each year, we anticipate the next iteration, eager to see how Samsung will outdo itself. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is no exception, bringing a suite of upgrades and refinements that solidify its position as a top-tier flagship. This year, Samsung has focused on enhancing user experience, making the S24 Ultra not just a phone, but a powerful tool for everyday life. From its stunning display to its powerful performance and impressive camera capabilities, the S24 Ultra aims to deliver a premium smartphone experience. The display is brighter and more vibrant, the performance is faster and more efficient, and the camera system is more versatile than ever before. In this review, we'll dive deep into the various aspects of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, exploring its design, performance, camera, software, battery life, and more. We'll take a closer look at the materials and craftsmanship that make up its sleek design and how it feels in the hand. We'll compare it to its predecessors and see how it stacks up against the competition. How does the S24 Ultra fare against other flagship models in the market? We'll analyze its strengths and weaknesses in various scenarios. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or simply curious about Samsung's latest offering, this review will provide a comprehensive look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We'll also share user experiences and feedback to give you a well-rounded perspective. So, buckle up as we embark on this technological journey to uncover what makes the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra tick. We'll explore the innovations that have been packed into this device and how they translate into real-world usage. Get ready to be amazed by its cutting-edge features and discover if this is the ultimate smartphone for your needs. From its advanced AI capabilities to its seamless integration with other devices, the S24 Ultra is designed to impress. Let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the premium design language of its predecessors while introducing subtle yet impactful refinements. The iconic camera module, a signature element of the Ultra lineup, has been redesigned with a sleeker and more integrated look. The edges are now more rounded, offering a comfortable grip even with the phone's large size. Samsung continues to use premium materials in the construction of the S24 Ultra. The phone features a sturdy armor aluminum frame that exudes durability. The front and back are protected by Corning's latest Gorilla Glass Victus, providing enhanced scratch and drop resistance. The phone retains its IP68 rating, ensuring resistance against dust and water. The display remains a key highlight of the S24 Ultra. It boasts a stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The display is HDR10+ certified, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional contrast. The bezels are incredibly thin, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio and providing an immersive viewing experience. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a beast when it comes to performance. This flagship device is designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding users, offering unparalleled speed and efficiency. It is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring blazing fast speeds and smooth multitasking. This cutting-edge processor is built to handle intensive tasks with ease, making lag and slowdowns a thing of the past. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or simply browsing the web, the S24 Ultra can handle it all with ease. The graphics performance is top-notch, providing a seamless experience for gamers, while video editors will appreciate the smooth rendering and quick export times. The phone comes in multiple storage and RAM configurations, with the base model offering 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This ensures that you have plenty of space for your essential apps and files, without compromising on performance. This ensures ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. You can store thousands of high-resolution photos and hours of 4K video without worrying about running out of space. For those who demand the ultimate performance, there's also a variant with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of internal storage. This configuration is perfect for power users who need the extra space for large files and intensive applications. Battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra excels. With its efficient power management and large battery capacity, you can go through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. It packs a sizable 5,000 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or using GPS navigation, the battery life won't let you down. In our testing, we consistently got over 7 hours of screen-on time, even with demanding tasks like gaming and video streaming. This means you can enjoy your favorite activities without interruption. The phone supports 45-watt fast-wired charging and 15-watt fast wireless charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. With these fast charging options, you can get back to using your phone in no time, whether you prefer wired or wireless charging methods. The camera has always been a focal point for the Samsung Galaxy Ultra series, and the S24 Ultra takes it to new heights. With each iteration, Samsung has pushed the boundaries of mobile photography, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. This device is designed for those who demand the best in camera technology. It features a versatile quad-camera system on the rear, headlined by a 200-megapixel wide-angle lens with improved optical image stabilization and super steady video. This main sensor is engineered to capture every detail with stunning clarity, making it ideal for both professional photographers and casual users alike. Joining the main sensor is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and group photos. Whether you're at a family gathering or exploring the great outdoors, this lens ensures you never miss a moment. The phone also includes 2 telephoto lenses, a 10-megapixel periscope lens with 10 times optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. These lenses work together to provide a seamless zoom experience, allowing you to get closer to your subject without losing image quality. This combination allows for incredible zoom capabilities, letting you capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Whether you're photographing wildlife from afar or zooming in on architectural details, the S24 Ultra's zoom features are second to none. Samsung has introduced several new camera features with the S24 Ultra, including an enhanced night mode for stunning low-light photography and an improved single-take mode that captures multiple photos and videos simultaneously. The night mode ensures that your photos are bright and clear, even in the darkest environments, while single-take mode offers a creative way to capture every angle of a moment. The phone can record videos at up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, capturing incredible detail and smooth footage. This makes the S24 Ultra not just a still photography powerhouse, but also a formidable tool for videographers. Whether you're shooting a short film or capturing everyday moments, the S24 Ultra ensures your videos are of the highest quality.